Hi, Al. Actually, looking at your spreadsheet, these cells are not merged. If they were merged and I clicked over, see where I'm clicking, I wouldn't be able to just select this one box. It would select this whole thing. Like, for example, if I click here, this is still uh, 10 B10, and then this is B11. If this was merged, so like if I were to merge this, merge cells. So now I can't click on B11, I would just be the whole thing. So I actually just merge this whole cell. So what I'm going to propose, let me unmerge this, hit the back button. Okay. What you can do is sort of do something like this. So if I want to get this into all of them, just kind of do this. But wherever you downloaded the spreadsheet from might be able to do that for you. There might be a setting in there that will do that. That maybe it's just a tiny little setting that you need to uncheck or something like that. But I don't know, maybe I can take a look at the setting. Oh, see how like that made a mistake. Let me undo that one. And then you would have to do something like this to make sure it was 8, 9. Oh, that didn't work. Let me do it again. So, yeah, because this one's merged too. So I'd have to start up here. Oops. And then do something like, oop, I can't get it right. Okay, there we go. So that way that would work like that. So see, I'm not really unmerging them. I'm just dragging them down. Okay, I hope this helps.